Hi there, I'm Ryan Castle, here with my friend Patrick Pallas from PallasLaw.com. Patrick, we're in the green room.
Are you ready to have a cup of coffee and answer some questions?
Let's do that. That sounds good. Okay, so this one might be a little shady. Maybe you've got a shady boss, right? Boss told me not to file a claim and he'll go ahead and pay for the medical. Is that workers' compensation? I think I know where this is going.
Ryan, do you remember we did a commercial some time ago where we were talking about the story, we shared the story of a boss who was in the habit of giving a fifth of whiskey if you didn't file a claim, right?
Right,
and then,
right, not good.
Not a good idea.
Yeah. And I really like whiskey.
So it's hard to say no. Yeah, there are times when your boss or supervisor or whoever will give you some enticement not to file a claim or pay you under the table or create some sort of deal because they don't want their safety record messed up, or maybe there's bonuses out there if you have a clean safety record. So I realize there could be some real pressure on you not to file a claim. But if you don't, it may be the dumbest single thing you've ever done in your life, because if you don't file a claim, you waive all of your rights and frankly, all your ability to take care of your family. What may seem like a sore back today may end up being a two-level fusion that you need in your back that ends up with lifetime disability and make sure that you can't ever do your job again. I feel very sorry for people who call me and say, well, I didn't think it was that bad, so I didn't file a claim, and I took a fifth of whiskey, or they said they'd take care of me on the side. It never works out that way. It never works out the way you hope. Always, always, always file a claim. It is the path that you should take to make sure you're always using good judgment. It's not bad choice Friday. File your claim, move forward, and there won't be repercussions. They cannot fire you for filing a claim. And you know what? Your number one interest is taking care of you and your family. Those are the people that rely on you. And if you can't work or you can't bring home wages, how are you going to explain to them that you did it as a favor to your boss? It just doesn't make sense. So file a claim, say no to anybody who offers you a fifth of whiskey on the job for not filing a claim, right. And say no to anybody who says, we'll take care of you, don't file a claim. It's not going to work out. It's not going to work out well for you.
Fifth of whiskey will make your back feel better, but just for a couple of days, right?
And I'll add this, that if you're in that kind of employment where people are being induced not to file their claims, that's all the more reason you should call me, because you're going to need my protection. And you know what? So is everybody else in your crew who works with you, because they're all being taken advantage of because the employer is greedy and worrying about their bottom line and not about your health and your welfare. Call me and I'll take care of that. You know what? There might be some penalties out there from employers who are abusing the system.